Good morning. I have 5 minutes. I'll show 5 slides and make 5 points. Democratic backsliding. We all have been talking about democratic backsliding for the last 10 years, and we will talk about it for next 3 days. And we all agree, in the last 20 years, more autocratic governments had replaced democratic governments. But the irony is this: from hundreds to thousands of organizations, including many in this room, claim and have contributed towards democracy. Again, hundreds and thousands of experts have written articles and books, including me, claiming and promoting democracy. Billions of dollars have been spent to promote democracy, yet we have failed. Why? Now, part of the answer is we are taught to dismantle dictatorship, not replace them. This year's theme is dismantle dictatorship, yet in the last 20 years we have dismantled dictators. Yes, remember Arab Spring? From Egypt to Tunisia to Libya to Iraq, and so recently in Syria, we have removed dictators. Who have replaced them? Hosni Mubarak with General Sisi, some say he's worse. In Tunisia, Ben Ali by Said, they say he's worse, so and so forth. And in the last few years, autocratic leaders have been removed in Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. And not even a single Gen Z protesters are in the Sri Lankan government. And only 6 Gen Z protesters of Bangladesh won election. But who won? The supermajority in the parliament of Bangladesh, an old party. Why? Because we all are activists. We are told to protest, not to administer, not to provide alternatives. That's why we don't know how to run election campaign, win election. We don't know how to govern. That's why my recommendation to all of you in this room is to form government in exile. Run government in exile. Get experience running government in exile. And if you can form political parties in exile, you can showcase to the people back home, say, we have an alternative, better alternative. We practice government, we practice party in exile, and they will support you and you can replace them. The good news is, historically, we have government in exile who have pressured and brought democracy back home. For example, Spanish government exile, Polish government exile. Even Baltic embassies played vital roles in pressuring and bringing democracy in Poland, Spain, and Baltic states. And in the case of Philippines, during Second World War, the government exile was formed in Washington, D.C. They went back and replaced colonial ruler back in Philippines. So we have done it before. Similarly for political parties, you can see Namibia, Venezuela, South Africa, Angola. Political parties were partly formed in exile. They went back, fought election, ruled, and replaced dictators. We have done it. We can do it again. Now, my slide number 4. Bit controversial, but this is my 30 years of work. This is my contribution to all the exile communities. This is based on my experience, both academic experience and practical experience, because I've ran government exile. What is dictator strategy? Divide and rule. What should be our strategy? Unite and fight. Unite in the form of a government. Show that I can run a cabinet. I can run finance department, foreign policy, an oil department, all that. And then you can show that I can run election and win election. You can do that. But you must unite in the form of government or political party and send a message back to Iran and Venezuela. We are ready. And people in Iran and Venezuela will support you because they see democracy in practice. Now, if you're looking for an alternative or a model, there is. Tibetan government exile is the most dynamic, functioning, living democratic government exile. Yes. We're our own cabinet. We're our own parliament. We're our own judiciary. We're our own foreign ministry, and we're our own schools and health, so and so forth. Are there divisions within Tibetan community? Are there factions within Tibetan community? Absolutely. Yet, we all agree there is one Tibetan government exile, there is one parliament exile. That's unity and diversity brought by democracy. So, it's not that easy to form government exile. There are challenges. In fact, there are 10 major challenges. I'm writing a book. So next year, you have to listen to all those 10 challenges. I'll get 10 minutes and I explain to you. But my 5 minutes is up. In 5 minutes, I show you 5 slides, give you 5 points, and one final message. Don't just dismantle dictatorship, replace it. Prepare yourself, train yourself to build something better. When the moment comes, be ready, not only to oppose what is wrong, but to build what is right. Good luck. Thank you.